On one side, I would say query languages. You have to be able to query from a database. You're going to interact with database. You're going to need to query from a database. I always tell people, please just learn SQL. SQL is so amazing because it's also one of those things you can learn. If you decide to not be a data analyst anymore and you decide to be in any other field in the IT space, chances are they will still love you for knowing SQL.
Yeah.
I can't think of anything you will join as a in IT space that if you know SQL, people will not just say, you know SQL, nice one. We need you here. There are some skills that there are some teams that don't necessarily need SQL, but if they happen to have somebody that knows SQL on their team, they will find a use for you
It's an addition.
just
It's a good
because you,
addition.
yeah. So it's a very fantastic skill. SQL is not going anywhere, even though people say it's going anywhere. It's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Um, I would say you need to learn a programming skill. People always advise Python or R. I always say just do Python, just because of Python's flexibility. R is great, but also we don't know the future of tech yet. But Python ensures that whatever the future of tech is,
You're
it will
future
probably plug
proof.
into yeah you plug in somewhere, right? So I would say do Python. But I mean, again, if you do R, awesome, nice one. I mean, I'm down for it. I would say you need a visualization skill. Power BI is the industry leader there. Tableau is a very close second. There are other ones, Luca, Domo, so many other ones. But I would say just do Power BI or Tableau. In fact, if I'm being honest with you, I'm a Microsoft fanboy. I would say just do Power BI. We've seen it. The Fortune 500 in America, they used to use a lot more Tableau than Power BI, but we are seeing it. It's been moving this
Yeah.
way. Tableau's dropping, Power BI is rising, right? So if I were you, I'd follow the tide. I'd follow that which is rising. But if you want to be awesome, you can learn a bit of Tableau too, so that you just have some
Yeah.
basic understanding of the two at the very least. So, but if you have to pick one, I'd say do Power BI. But Tableau is awesome too, no problem. Um, I say learn Excel. Excel is wonderful. If you know Excel in any workspace, people will like you.
You're a
Uh,
champion. Yeah.
yeah. Again, I go into this with I had good Excel background from uni, so when I was in the bank, they knew now. If you bring
Excel man. Yeah.
it, I
You.
I used to say one proverb in Yoruba, and the English translation of that proverb is that the deity that Shango cannot beat is a
Mm,
deity that can run. What
mm.
does that mean? Is that Shango is so powerful as a deity. The only
Yeah.
way to not beat you is if you run away. So
Mm.
that's if you bring your